Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am showing a process video for Craft Driller episode 183. I created this circus scene using an interactive die and lots of cute characters. However, here I am only showing the first scene. Wait until you see what's behind those sliding panels. The parameters can be seen on the screen. Looking carefully, you will see the bear wearing a bow tie, which of course will be made of ribbon. I have a circus colour theme. I made this card at the very end of September and there was a lot of hand cutting. For this card I used Lawn Fawn Coaster Critters, Really High Five, Out of This World, On the Beach, Elfie Selfie, Critters at the Dog Park, Elephant Parade, Wild for You and Snow Much Fun. Phew, there's a lovely mixture there. I also used a TADA Diarama, Sunflower cardstock, Let It Shine Starry Skies in dark blue, Narwhal cardstock and Let It Shine Sprinkles and Stripes, also from Lawn Fawn. Please note that this is my first time using the interactive die and I'm not going to be providing commentary for this part, but I will add in a little music for you as you watch what I do. There are many tutorials of how to use this interactive die. Just search Lawn Fawn, TADA, Diarama and you will see the videos from the crafting greats, such as the ladies of Lawn Fawn, Jennifer Maguire and many more. I share a little of the hand cutting that was required for the random parameter. I also call this fussy cutting. As I cut, I will tell you about Craft Roulette. It is the ultimate YouTube card making game show on almost every Friday evening at 6:10 p.m. Central Time in the US, 12:10 a.m. UK time. Mary Gunn, the hostess, spins the wheel, 4 craft parameters are chosen, guest crafters react, collect supplies and then spend a while crafting and chatting. It allows a great community of crafters from all over the world to get together via YouTube, the Craft Roulette Facebook page and the amazing craftroulette.live website. I assemble the images here using liquid glue. I like to dress my characters before attaching them to a card. I've left a short clip here of how I attached the images to the stage, but unfortunately I stopped recording without realising and lost a little of the footage. I used a hole puncher to make the holes in the sliding parts and I attached some Lawn Fawn red twine. I attach a piece of Starry Skies paper in blue to a card base. I think this is the perfect backdrop for this card. After that, I glue the diorama panel onto the card base. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a ta-da! And this one is the best yet as I reveal something with my TADA. Such fun. I love the outcome of this card and I will definitely be creating more TADA dioramas in the future. At some point I hope to become more confident in taking you through the process. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I will be back soon.